talk about how can you disable push notification on your uh, Whoosh app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down here. So you click on this sign down here, money. You click on money, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on your name here, so then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to push notifications, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean push notifications disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you accurate. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.